Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LP Public School, Kola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 9th class, and today I will discuss about the numerical question of chapter motion. As you know, I have completed this chapter and all topics of the chapter completed. And if you have doubt in any topic, so you can ask. I will make the another video on the topic. Okay, so now I am going to start your exercise, NCERT exercise. So some question are given on board. So if you have doubt in any question, you can send me message and I will make the video on that topic. Okay, so this is the question number 4 in your NCERT, and this is question number 3 in your NCERT textbook. So now I am going to start, and this is first question according to NCERT. This is your question number 4. A motorboat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meters per second for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? So in this question, as you can see, motorboat starting from rest, it means u equal to 0. The initial speed of boat is 0, and the acceleration is given as 3 meters per second square. This is the acceleration, and time is given 8 seconds. And you have to find how far means distance s. So you have to find the distance. As you know, you can find distance by using 3 equations of motion. So this is first equation of motion, at s equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. Second equation, this is first, second, and v square u square 2as. That is third one. So you have to find the distance. It means you can use second and third. You can't use this first equation because in second and third s is given. So in this first equation there is no discussion about distance, so we can't use this equation in this equation in this question. Now you have to select from second and third. S is given, but you can see in the third equation your velocity, initial, acceleration and distance all is okay, but this is final velocity, and there is no discussion about the final velocity. It means final velocity is not given in your question. So in this, that is also cancelled. So it means only second equation of motion is remain. This equation satisfy all conditions. U is given, T is given, A is given, and T is given. So by putting value, you can find your answer. F equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. So as u 0, initial time 8 seconds, acceleration 3, and t is a square. So S equal to 0 plus 1 upon 2, 3 into 62. So when you solve it, this is 32, and when you multiply 3 into 32, and this is equal to 69 meter. So this is the distance that travel by boat in 8 seconds. When boat start from rest and the acceleration is 3 meter per second square. So I hope you understand. Now I am going to discuss about the second question. In second question, Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. This is Abdul house. Abdul's house. And this is the school. So Abdul driving to school, compute the average speed for this trip is 20. It means this is 20 km per hour. And while come back by using same route, the speed is 40 km per hour due to less traffic. It may happen during going to school, there is more traffic, and when come from school to home, she found there is less traffic. So there is two different speeds are given, and we have to find what is the average speed for Abdul trip. So as you know, the formula for average speed equal to total distance upon total time. Let the distance between Abdul and schools is x. So total distance equal to x plus x. It means 2x. Let t1 time is taken to reach at school, and t2 time taken to come back from school to home. So t1 going to school and t2 time coming back from school. T1 be the time, b time be the time, and t2 be the time coming back from the school. So let the total time is t. So t equal to t1 plus t2. So total stands 2x upon t. It means 2x upon t1 plus t2. So as you know, the formula speed equal to distance upon time. So time equal to distance upon speed. Let t1 time distance x and speed is given 20 km/h. It means let v1 equal to 20 km/h and v2 40 km/h. So speed is v1. So t1 equal to x upon 20, and by using the same formula, t2 is x upon 40. This is the value of t1 and this is the value of t2. I hope you understand. So by putting the value of t1 and t2, what is the value of t1? X upon 20 and t2 x upon 40. So 2x upon x, 1 plus 20 plus 1 upon 4. X cancel by x. So 2 by taking LCM, 40 plus 20 equal to 40 into 20. So it means 2 into 40 into 20 upon 40 plus 20. I hope you can solve this easily. So V average equal to 2 into 40 into 20, that is 60. So 0 cancel by 0 is 3. So 80 upon 3, and you divide 80 by 3. So it will become 26.66. On round off you can write 20.67. 26.66 kilometer per hour, because in this question units are given in kilometer per hour. So the average speed of Abdul trip is 26.66. So I hope you understand, and you have to try to do more question of your exercise, and if you have doubt you can ask to me and give me question on message, and I will make video for your doubt. Okay, so thank you very much. You have to try to do more numericals.